Welcome to the Inn on the Moor, which is situated right in the heart of the stunning North Yorkshire moors. The Inn on the Moor is located in the village of Goathland, which is a world away from the hustle and bustle of modern life, and is also known as Aidensfield, once the home of Heartbeat, the TV programme about the life of a policeman in the North Yorkshire moors area. Whether you choose to travel by motorbike or car, the Inn on the Moor is the ideal base from which to enjoy the surrounding countryside. The Inn on the Moor also offers large, expansive open rooms that are tastefully decorated and furnished, many with solid oak furniture made by local craftsmen, and some with stunning views of the open countryside. All 24 bedrooms have ensuite facilities, colour TV, radio, and tea and coffee making facilities. The Inn on the Moor also offers a bar with snacks facilities open to non-residents and is personally supervised by the proprietors. Malcolm and Judy Simpson very much look forward to welcoming you to their relaxing and calm atmosphere of the Inn on the Moor.